Bonjour YouTube et bienvenue sur ce deuxième épisode sur le nouveau jeu qui s'appelle Avoid. J'espère que je le prononce bien. Donc, on est arrivé à Paradis grâce à l'aide de Garrick et de Ilora.
Suppose this is where I leave you then. I owe you my life, Envoy. I won't soon forget what you did.
J'ai le nez qui coule parce que je suis malade. Qu'allez-vous faire désormais?
I don't know. It's all just sinking in. I hope the folks at the embassy know where to find a good, strong drink.
Qu'est-ce que je dois
Well,
savoir sur
it's the
Paradis?
Living Land's biggest port. People come from all over. Not all of them are Adir's friends.
Wonder why?
You'll be fine. After the fort, I figure you can survive anything. You don't have to. Just go up the pier. I imagine they've sent someone official-like to take you there.
Must be nice, eh?
Same to you. You'll make the Emperor proud. I'm sure of it.
Look, I'll no thank you for showing basic decency. But you saved my life. That counts for something. To me, anyway.
Il lui adresse un clin d'œil. Comment je peux faire avec... J'ai pas d'yeux.
Aye, don't push her luck. Try not to get killed. Nah, I'm kidding. Just don't go around acting like you own the place. Alright? Not all of them. But it's not a great way to make friends. Give Paradisans a chance. That's why they came here in the first place. Hope we don't run into each other. Still, take care of yourself.
Ok.
This is your final warning, Kai. One more, and I put a bullet in your head.
Mignon.
And here I thought we were getting along.
Hey! Turn around and sail back to wherever you came from. This dock is reserved for the Imperial Envoy. And she's late. Huh. Probably died at sea. Good riddance. Wait, you're the... Fuck.
Nice.
Forgive me, Envoy. I meant nothing by it. A slip of the tongue.
Oh, c'est un
Can we
lapsus.
start over? Name's Cynric, captain of the local militia. We're a scrappy bunch, but we know our way around Paradis. Unlike most Adirans who couldn't find their ass with both their hands. Oh, present company excluded. They told me you were godlike, but I didn't know what to expect. Your face, it's so... Ooh, on second thought, why don't I just shut up before I say anything else I regret?
Now there's a good idea.
No doubt you've come for the Adiran ambassador, but he's gone, along with our claviger.
Attendez, il faut que je me mouche. Je suis malade. Je parie que vous êtes ici voir l'ambassadeur d'Eidir, mais il est parti en compagnie du clavitaire.
Well,
Qu'est-ce que c'est
he's
que
the
ça?
closest thing we have to a local authority. Part keeper of the keys, part bald fist.
Paradis' mayor, more or less. Most people out here aren't fond of established hierarchies and titles. So we made up some new ones.
Hmm.
I'm sorry, Envoy, but no one's here to receive it.
Nonsense. There's a small army of pickpockets, smugglers, and scoundrels between those walls who'd be happy to take it off your hands.
Just ignore him. No, there's some kind of blight in the wilderness and rumors of plague. They went to investigate. Nature has a mind of its own in these parts. When the ecosystem changes, we ask ourselves how and why.
Leaderless and rudderless is the natural state of things in Paradise anyway. Keeps things interesting. Where did you say they went? Because I've got an idea.
They traveled northwest to the Strangle Route, past the old Pargroon Wall.
You need to find the ambassador, and I need to find the Claviger. How's about we partner up?
Vous savez obéir aux ordres ou vais-je devoir vous tenir la main?
I did my time in the Rawatayan Navy. I'm good, as long as you talk real slow.
Kai, before you go, remember, you're taking a distinguished veteran into the wilderness. Make sure she comes back alive, or the Steel Garrote will have my head.
Better yours than mine.
Est-ce que c'est
The
Garodacé?
Steel
J'en ai
Garrote
aucune
are
idée.
here as guests, helping Adirans like yourself keep the peace. Or so they say.
Oh.
Maybe it's better if you don't mention me at all. Speaking of the Steel Garrote, fair warning, their leader, Inquisitor Ludwine, is eager to greet you. Or possibly interrogate you. Wait, you know the Inquisitor? Dare I ask how?
Nous avons combattu côte à côte. Elle était ma mentor. Nous étions amantes. Avant son incident au feu éteint. Après son incident au feu éteint. Disons simplement que nous nous connaissons, c'est tout. Avant ou après? Avant. Ça fait toujours plus tragique. Merci pour le follow, Iwa.
Well, that must have been awful. I mean, considering everything that happened. I heard she's a monster, the personal handmaiden of the Burned Queen. But that's not all. They say she fell in battle in the Deadfire, and death spat her back out.
Fais attention, Ludwig, sinon je te banne def. Alors, gardez cela pour vous. Vous ne voudriez pas vous mettre à dos l'inquisitrice Cynric. L'ambassadeur est peut-être en danger. C'est inquiétant, il faudra que je lui demande comment elle a fait. Une idée de ce qu'elle me veut, je m'occuperai de Ludwig plus tard. Ouais,
Right
plus
behind you.
tard, on s'en fout.
We've got to find your ambassador and
J'ai
my
rien fait.
Claviger
Je parle
before
pas à toi,
something
Ivo.
else
T'inquiète
does.
pas. Je parle à Ludwig. Alors, nouveau compagnon. Kai est un soldat vétéran et un mercenaire originaire de l'Empire Roatai. Impatient mais sympathique. Ses pérégrinations l'ont conduit jusqu'aux terres vivantes où il espère trouver une paix qui lui échappe. Son expérience dans le feu des combats permet à Kai d'encaisser les dégâts et d'attirer l'attention de l'ennemi. Donc il a feu courroucé et enflammé. Parfait, Kai.
I'll bet you're glad to be on dry land after that voyage. Come on, let's get you some fresh air.
Oh, une petite baleine. Hop. Approchez-vous des balises de voyage rapide pour en déverrouiller l'accès sur la carte. M. Ah, je ne peux pas ouvrir la carte.
Pargrunen left these beacons all over the island. They're good for finding your way around.
Smash. Un peu trop bleu pour moi, mais ça c'est que mon avis. Je ne peux pas ouvrir la carte. Paramètres, paramètres, paramètres. Clavier. Ah mais parce que Je crois que le M n'est pas à la place du M. C'est ce que je vais devoir faire. Français. Ouais, mais je vais... C'est bon. Z. Déjà associé à boire une potion de soin. Oui, c'est pas grave, on s'en fout. Tac, tac, tac. Ça change rien, ça change rien. Engainer, c'est T. Jet de perspective, les emplacements. Lancer Q pour lancer. Ok. Hop. Oui. Et du coup, lancer c'est A. Boire une potion. Ah, je peux mettre W du coup. Ouvrir l'inventaire, blablabla. Tout le reste, ça a l'air d'être bien. Ah, la navigation. On va changer ça aussi. Oui. Oui. Donc, onglet précédent A. W. Voilà. Parfait.
Pretty soon the Dirans will outnumber us 3.
M.
Three to 1.
En vrai, c'est chaud de ne pas l'aimer, cette baleine sexy.
Think dimwit.
Architects.
Cozy in the ambassador's
C'est
pocket.
insupportable.
That's enough for now. You gotta listen.
Genre moi avec mes champignons et lui avec ses couleurs de peau. Oui, il faut appuyer sur U.
Keep walking, Outlander.
Hey! You better watch your step.
Watch where you're going. Wouldn't...
Ah, il veut me parler en fait. Depuis tout à l'heure.
Between tensions in the city and threats outside, the militia's in over their heads.
C'est tout? T'as juste ça à me dire?
Don't get too used to the comforts of Paradise.
J'ai peur.
Greetings, friend. You look like you could use a fine weapon or a sturdy shield. Not to worry, Volter is here. I suggest you take a look at my wares before you speak to Daggerda. Who knows what mood she's in today?
Ok. Votre inventaire. Oh, j'ai déjà tout ça dans mon inventaire. Qu'est-ce que je peux bien vendre? Se vend chez n'importe quel marchand pour un bon prix. Mhm. Je pense que je vais utiliser que le grand marteau. Épée et on s'en fout. Ou la lance, on s'en fout. Plastron, poignard. Poignard, on s'en fout. Ça, on s'en fiche. La robe, on s'en fiche. Enchanter les armes uniques au camp. On verra ça plus tard. Oh, le concombre avarié. Le ragoût, tout ça, on garde. Par contre, en termes de gants, je n'ai aucun qui est équipé. Inventaire, oui. Alors, ici. Le reste,
Nice to
on va
see
vendre.
you again. How can Volter be of assistance?
Alors ça, on s'en fout. Voilà. Hop.
The Living Lands are a dangerous place. A newcomer like you surely needs armaments.
Please, how hard is it to answer a question?
I don't trifle with souls, ma'am.
They're tearing my home apart. Never mind. I can't believe how rude everyone is around here. How hard could it be to find a watcher? I have a little money, if that's what you mean. I assumed I'd have to pay the watcher, though. I have a strange problem, you see. A band of Zorips invaded my house. Have you ever seen Paradise's militia fight Zorips willingly?
Et les argents, c'est mon rayon.
Then take my house key. It's northwest of here. That cabin on the cliff all by itself. Gods know I can't go back. And there's nothing to steal either. The Zorips saw to that. Come back when you've dealt with them. And make sure you get their leader, too. I'm sorry, but I don't think they'll go quietly. You'll have to kill them. Thank you. That may not be worth much coming from a stranger, but I mean it.
On va changer de quête. Voilà. Ah mince, j'avais les capacités. Alors attendez. Non, alors c'est pas les capacités qu'il me faut. Un personnage. J'ai un point qui est disponible. Alors. Santé et sans endurance. Puissance plus 9. Constitution. Dextérité. Change de coup. Constitution. Voilà. Bon. Où dois-je aller? Où se trouve son... Là-bas. Alors, attendez. Un message venu de loin. Ouais, on va aller ici. En attendant, on visite. C'est mieux par ici. Avec tout plein de champignons. J'adore les champignons.
I've come in search of lost treasures. Have you heard any rumors of such things in the area? It's a fine day for adventuring. Greetings, godlike.
Oh mon dieu. Je suis sûre que je peux les tuer. Oh non. Je sais pas si je suis déçue ou pas.
The Dream Scourge has driven people to the city. Means more bandits on the road.
Stance is that? Get serious or get lost. I'm busy.
Je suis perdu, je sais pas où aller.
That lighthouse has been under repair since Adiran ships began filling the harbor.
Mhm. Coup dur pour le requin. Je peux passer par là. Non, je pense pas. Allez, go. Qu'est-ce que c'est que ce truc violet? Oh. Bonsoir. Monter le camp. Oui. Ah mince, mais du coup, il fait nuit.
You know, for most people, getting sent to the Living Lands is a punishment. But, according to Cynric, you're the personal envoy of the Emperor of Adir himself. Quite a position. Tall grass, huh? Even in Rawatai, you lot are the stuff of legend. I guess I should count myself lucky our paths didn't cross sooner. But that raises a bigger question. Why would your emperor send one of his most accomplished warriors all the way out here? Oh, that almost does sound like a punishment. I don't know how you investigate a so-called plague of the soul, so better you than me. Being a godlike, I don't suppose your patron deity gives you any unique insights into matters of the soul, do they? Sorry. It's a rare sight, and these are strange times. I haven't met anyone who's really seen the Dream Scourge yet, but that hasn't stopped people from worrying about the rumors. Refugees are flooding in from outlying regions. The guards are restricting access to the city. And people are making offerings to the gods for everything from hangovers to indigestion, just in case. Not much. It's hard to separate fact from rumor. I've heard it changes people, makes them confused, disoriented, and eventually violent. No one seems to know exactly how it starts.
Pourquoi je suis ici?
I like your confidence. Just be careful how you express it. Unfortunately, the presence of so many Adiran troops and the rumored exploits of the Stilgarrote paladins supporting them is only making a tense situation worse. I think that's why the Clavenger accompanied your ambassador.
Il paraît que les terres vivantes n'obéissent à aucune loi. Un peu d'ordre.
Don't get me wrong, we have had a welcome reprieve from the usual muggings and murders since your country folk started arriving en masse. But I don't know how long that'll last. We're talking about an island that has been largely settled by nomads, exiles, and dissidents. People who tend to be suspicious of authority. But what about you? What's your stake in things? Besides your orders, of course.
Euh, Qu'est-ce que ça pourrait m'apporter? Tout le monde a entendu des histoires, je suis venue pour l'aventure. Je veux aider, je suis un petit chien. Enfin, c'est la question 2, hein. Je sers le bon plaisir de l'empereur, c'est littéralement je suis le chien de l'empereur. Ça, j'aime pas. Non, je préfère, je reçois une connexion.
Just be careful where you say that.
Mm.
That's the kind of talk that may get people thinking you've got the dream scourge. I'll let you get some rest, but thanks for talking. It's good to be part of a squad again, even if it's just for a while.
Que pouvez-vous me dire sur Paradis? En fait, pourquoi le fléau lame s'appelle-t-il le mal rêve? Peut-être parce qu'ils font des cauchemars.
They say people afflicted with it have strange, vivid dreams and start confusing them with reality. What starts as a light daze becomes severe disorientation and eventually a bent towards chaotic violence. And then, fungal growths take over your body. So Dream Scourge. No, Dream Scourge is different. It spreads all over. Still, if you see any new mushrooms sprouting up anywhere unexpected, let me know. Until then, look on the bright side. The Living Lands is filled with people and things that are likelier to kill you first. Good thing you're asking the expert.
D'accord, êtes-vous arrivé à Paradis? Que faisiez-vous avant de venir dans les terres vivantes? Vous êtes originaire de Roatai. Parlons de Rivo.
I joined up with the Rautai Navy as soon as I was old enough. I was part of our campaign to establish a foothold in the Deadfire Archipelago. Starting out, it was exciting, purposeful. I believed in our mission. We were returning to our ancestral homeland, reclaiming fertile soil that would feed Rautai. Additionally, we were helping Deadfire, bringing organization to the pirate-ridden archipelago and civilization to our distant Wana cousins. Yeah. The Juana didn't want us there. We spent almost as much time fighting the tribes as we did pirates and Wilder. And it was hard to see how any of our fighting and dying was feeding people back home. I'd always heard that war was supposed to temper us, strengthen us, but I didn't see that either. I deserted, and I bounced between different mercenary companies for almost 10 years.
Oh.
Hey, not all of us catch on so quick. Besides, there were only so many options for a Rauataian deserter with no training and anything else. As a mercenary, I figured I could at least choose my battles and my crew. Yeah, it just took me a little longer to figure that out. Being part of a squad kept me going. For a while, anyway. By the time I came to the Living Lands, I'd seen enough. Had enough. Yeah. Though, in a lot of ways, it feels like I didn't really start living until I got here. Look, if I can give you some hard-won advice, stay on your toes. You're in a difficult position. Whatever your role asks of you, make sure it's something you're willing to give. Because you're the one who has to live with the consequences.
Merci du conseil.
Hey, advice is easy. The hard part's all you.
Allez, bonne nuit.
Check your bedroll for fangworms.
Arbre des capacités compagnons. Lorsque vos compagnons montent de niveau, vous pouvez dépenser des points de capacité afin d'acheter ou d'améliorer leurs capacités. Ok. Donc feu courroucé, dure 10 secondes. Tire un puissant coup de tromblon qui inflige un assommement élevé à un ennemi et le provoque pendant 10 secondes. Donc je peux rajouter le fait que ça enflamme sa victime. Ah non, ok. Soit enflamme la victime, soit augmente la quantité d'assommement, soit réduit le temps de recharge. Ah, ça peut être bien le 50%. On passe de 40 à 20 secondes, c'est pas mal. Oula, oh, ouais. Ah, et là, je peux... Ah, ok. Kai fait appel à son esprit pour régénérer ses points de vie et augmenter sa réduction de dégâts de 25%. Après un bond puissant, Kai retombe avec fracas sur ses adversaires, assommant et provoquant tous les ennemis à proximité. Lorsque la santé de Kai est réduite à 0, il revient à la vie en récupérant 50% de sa santé maximale. C'est intéressant ça. Ah, je peux en avoir. Non. Non, c'est bon.
After your voyage, it must be nice to spend the night on dry land. Personally, I've always found the rocking of a ship to be soothing. As long as I've got my feet facing the bow, that is.
Oh mon dieu, il y a trop de choses. Pas maintenant. Allez, on se barre. Allez, zou. Zou, 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 zou.
Venture past the palisades at your own risk. There's no guarantee of safety out in the wilds.
Ouais, t'inquiète, c'est un round. Passer par là.
Beautiful view from these cliffs. Real long way down, too.
Mourir. Coucou, toi. Non, ils sont trop mignons. Ah, en fait, c'était par là. Faut que je rejoigne le pont. Ok. Ah, on a des méchants.
Zara, they may be smart, but they'll overwhelm you if you're not careful. Take your best shot. Next one is mine. I was just getting warmed up.
Évidemment, il fallait que je frappe le mauvais. Ah non. Non, c'est pas lui. Ok. Je suis juste perdu. Qu'est-ce que c'est que ça? Capacité de compagnon. Ah, je le peux commander. Oh. Ok. Ok.
You're mine now.
Par contre, lui, il me saoule.
You're not looking so good.
Peut-être qu'on va faire. Merde. Non, je suis dans le feu, je suis dans le feu. Mais quel enfer. Ok. Je sais le problème. Voilà. C'est pour ça que je ne pouvais pas utiliser ça. Voilà. Ici comme il commande. Il faut un combat. Là, je me combats. Compris.
This is the Hengen's place, or was. It's the Zarub's now.
Oh non, je crois que j'ai ramassé une pomme pourrie. Quel enfer. Cela s'est encore produit. En réchauffant ma soupe ce soir, j'ai de nouveau entendu des grattements. J'ai placé ma chaise devant la porte, mais il n'a pas essayé d'entrer. Il a simplement fouillé dans le champ de mauvaises herbes et il m'a observé par la fenêtre.
Anything juicy?
Elle a rêvé d'un Xorip. Qu'en pensez-vous?
Maybe it has something to do with that wall painting in the other room. Let's check it out. I'm no art critic, but I've never seen a mural like that. Looks like an elf and Zarup holding hands. What do you see? Why don't we ask Tehangan about it? It's her house. She ought to know something.
Ok. On va dans les pots. On pense qu'il existe un certain nombre de phénomènes qu'une âme peut subir au cours du cycle de la réincarnation, qu'une minuscule fraction de l'essence de l'âme soit broyée par les forces de l'entropie, ou que la majorité soit perdue dans l'au-delà. Aucune âme ne survit à un voyage autour de la roue sans au moins une certaine forme de fragmentation. Dans certains cas exceptionnels, une âme peut se fracturer en deux moitiés égales, dont chacune habite une créature différente, lors du retour de l'âme à Eora. Bien que rare, ce phénomène a été bien documenté par les érudits à travers les âges, en particulier depuis la fondation du sanatorium de Brackenbury. Dans ce traité, je compilerai les informations que je pourrais trouver. Le long document qui suit est incroyablement ennuyeux et difficile à analyser. Ok. Je pense que je peux faire un voyage rapide.
Oh, please tell me I can go home now.
Alors, je les ai neutralisés. Votre maison ne craint plus rien. J'ai trouvé un journal dans votre cabane. Son contenu s'est révélé intéressant.
You read my journal? That's private. Why would you do a thing like that?
On est loin du comportement hostile caractéristique des Xorip. Que me cachez-vous?
What would I know about... All right, I lied to you. I can't keep it up anymore. Have you ever felt aimless? Like you ought to have a purpose, but you don't? Like you'd do anything to find out why you're meant to be here? I said the same thing at first. Then I realized I was just lost. An animancer told me that I might have half a soul. I finally had an answer. The question was, who got the other half? I thought if I could meet this person and see what they were like, I might gain some purpose or something. And then I came here and found a Zorip.
Vous devez être la seule personne au monde à avoir une âme jumelle Xorip. Ça pourrait être pire, au moins vous avez trouvé ce que vous cherchez. Si j'avais fait tout ce chemin pour tomber sur Xorip, ça me frustrerait aussi. C'est-à-dire que c'est extraordinaire.
But what do I do about it? How do I not think about what I can never have? I'm so... I've got to find some meaning in all this. I can't go back and I can't go forward. I'm just stuck here. Lost. Again.
Qu'est-ce que vous désirez? Il pourrait vous tuer. Oh.
Well, when you put it like that, if you're positive it doesn't mean me any harm, I'll go. I'll be brave. I'll find it. I really hope you're right. Oh, I forgot.
Elle va
You still
mourir.
deserve to be paid for your time, if nothing else.
Son âme jumelle.
I didn't think... Well, it's nice to get help from an Adiran. I'll say that much.
Un nouveau point de compétence. Alors... Je sais pas quoi prendre. don't know. Alors, détermination... Pour les personnages guerriers qui doivent manier des armes lourdes. Je mets encore puissance ou alors... Ah, peut-être la vitesse en vrai. La vitesse. Ah.
First get on leaves, his letters won't turn up.
Oh, look, Paradis and Ladder. When he was the resident. Incoming Zaros. Show me what to your left.
Il est où l'autre? Oh, j'ai fait pour monter en haut. Bah... Voilà.
Those Arabs must have been scavenging supplies too. Another win, but who's counting?
Je pense que je peux passer par le toit.
I think there's something on the upper floor. We might be able to reach it from outside.
Oh yeah. Alors. Comment monter sur le toit? Est-ce que je peux monter sur le toit? Oui. Non, non, oui, c'est bon. J'ai cru que j'allais tomber. Ah.
Even Puglin and walls can't stand against this place.
This one's mine.
Toi. Voilà. Il est vraiment pas doué. Hop là. bonne chose de fait. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Ah, c'est un petit ours. Oh, c'est un bébé ours. Non. C'était pourtant mignon. Ah, bon. C'est parti pour tuer plein de bébés ours. Hop là. Manger. De quoi me régénérer? Petit poulet rôti.
A rot seeps through here. Who poisons us? We cannot see.
Ah, c'était ça que je voulais observer. Personnage, on s'en fiche. J'ai encore un point. Peut-être que je pense à mettre un peu une intelligence.
Odd. Didn't used to be this overgrown. I can take care of that if you want.
Ah, alors, compagnon. Capacité... Ah, c'est mes capacités à moi. Ok. Alors, grâce blindée, réduit la pénalité d'endurance. Bouclier. Opération constante. Résistance. Un compagnon. Ok. Compagnon. C'est quoi que je voulais faire? Lui, il est bien.
Here it comes.
Fort pratique.
I got a bad feeling about whatever that baby's trying.
One for you.
Ah.
That's a bad way to go.
Pip. Comme pour lui, on s'en fout. Le poignard, on peut toujours le revendre.
It's almost like the brambles are trying to crush that. House.
Je vais voir de l'autre côté si... peut-être que je suis en train de prendre le bon chemin. Ça me stresse. J'ai pas envie de rater quelque chose d'important. Ah non, ça revenait par ici. Ok. Ok. Oh, il est énorme cet ours. Une potion.
Zombies. They don't usually venture out here. I wonder what's going to come.
Here we go!
Je n'arrive toujours pas à croire que le clavitaire m'ait demandé de le rejoindre pour son voyage vers Serracine, enfin quelqu'un qui comprend l'importance de bien documenter les phénomènes étranges de cette île. Vous trouverez ci-dessous mes notes sténographiques que je compilerai dans un rapport approprié à notre retour à Paradis. La densité de la flore dépasse largement les niveaux attendus. La croissance fongique est présente sur une grande partie de ces racines. Les racines ciblent peut-être les structures artificielles. Même si je ne vois pas comment. Les niveaux d'essence latente sont anormalement élevés. La faune est anormalement agressive. L'exorib semble... 3 petits points. Et il est mort.
Stand back.
Who's ready for more?
The scourge invades. Claw it out. It breathes. It is close.
Ça devient folle.
That's the claviger. What happened?
Are you blind? We're being hunted. Get rid of the band. We'll talk after.
Tuer l'ours malade.
Are you blind? We're being hunted. Get rid of the bear and we'll talk after.
Oh.
Take your best shot. Come and get me! My turn.
Unseen, unheard.
Oh yeah.
Okay?
Next one's mine.
C'est bon.
Take that, you monstrosity. Well done.
What happened to that bear?
Oh, poor bastard. One of Ludwine's toy soldiers. I never even learned their name. Not that it would have done us any good. Oh, my savior. Oh, thank the gods. Your arrival couldn't have been more timely.
Faire un clin d'œil, non.
Oh, Ambassador Falchion Heelguard at your service. And you must be our Imperial envoy. Better late than never, I say.
J'ai un message urgent.
Keep it close until we're back at the embassy. I prefer to take bad news in the comfort of my office. Aren't you going to introduce me to your capable companion? Can he be trusted?
Avec ce genre de discours, ambassadeur, c'est de nous que Kay va finir par se méfier.
I found it pays to be prudent about the company you keep in Paradise. The Empire doesn't have many friends on these shores.
Hey, not with that attitude.
I'm charmed. I take it you had business with the Claviger? Poor fellow. It was the bear that killed him, of course. This wilderness has been a little too wild of late. I'm no woodsman, but I'm inclined to agree. We heard alarming reports of a blight in the wilderness, and a strange corruption moving toward the city. The changes in the ecosystem are expected, but this one was progressing too rapidly to ignore. We tracked the corruption all the way here, but all we found was that creature gone mad. The situation is more dire than I imagined. We need a plan of action before whatever this is consumes the living lands.
We are here. Come to us. Commune with us. We have waited for you. come.
What's the matter? Can you hear me? But you... Very well, if you say so. The Emperor trusts your judgment, and so do I. Whatever you think is best, I'll support it. You know something of our troubles. That much is clear. What would you have us do?
Je vais tenter quelque chose avec la Dra. Préparez-vous à me rattraper si je perds connaissance.
Right behind you.
Oh, just be careful. The Emperor would never forgive me if anything happened to you.
Take it slow. We'll be right here.
It is you. Come closer. We feared you were but a dream. We wake from seasons of slumber. We have been waiting.
Qui êtes-vous?
A colony of insects. The many united by one purpose. Mycelia twining through the loam, taking and giving in equal measure. We are the ache in the land, the roots that run deep. And you are familiar to us. Our memories are fractured, but you too are alone in your strangeness.
Laissons cela de côté. Qu'est-ce qui ne va pas avec le Séracine? Il est vrai que ma différence m'isole. Si vous me connaissez, savez-vous de qui je suis la divine? Quoi que vous soyez, je n'ai pas le temps pour ça.
A rot eats at the foundation of this land. Corruption seeps into the soil. It spreads and festers and seeps and crawls. Poor bear. Poor us. Poor you.
Oui, j'ai bien aimé. Il était sacrément moche avec les champignons.
Yes, the air sings with its spores. It is everywhere. We can feel it. We fear it. We can see where it spreads. It is an infection. A foreign body invades, the host fights back. We feel the pain of this intrusion. It overwhelms us. If an animal sickens after a fight, as it howls and sings its agony, what do you do?
Si un animal tombe malade après un combat, qu'il hurle et chante son agonie, que fais-tu? Oula. Je tue cette pauvre créature pour mettre fin à ses souffrances et à celles qu'elle pourrait infliger. Je la laisse tranquille, la bête se battra pour sa survie, la nature suivra son cours.
Nurse it, care for it, grow it like the vines. We were loved once, perhaps. We remember, almost. A thought, like motion in the water. The rot festers. We could suck the poison out, let green things grow in its place, and we could give you the gift of our healing touch. But a favor for a favor. Would you help us in return when we ask it?
Ça dépend, qu'est-ce que vous voulez?
We offer you the power to heal and be healed, and you would wheedle and bargain? Decide. Do you wish this power or not?
Oui,
A
c'est bon.
favor for a favor then. This place shall heal, and you shall know our power. We tire. New again this world, new again words. We will find you soon.
Toucher onirique. Soigne et ranime tous les alliés à proximité et inflige des dégâts progressifs aux Delemgan, aux réceptacles et aux onilotes proches.
Incredible. Envoy, I don't know what you did, but that was miraculous.
You all right? You look like you were in a trance for several minutes.
What happened? What can you recall? Spare no detail.
Quelque chose m'a contacté par l'intermédiaire de la DRA, je ne saurais pas par où commencer. Bon, rien. Ouais, juste, c'est bon, je
You
communique.
must be sensitive to the spirit world. Some are gifted, or cursed, with such talents. Inquisitor Ludwine will need to hear of this. I've agreed to share my findings with the Steel Garrote, as long as they do the same. Not that she has any interest in ecology. Ludwine is obsessed with our security. Sees enemies lurking around every corner.
C'est son problème.
Your interests are more aligned than you know. But while you and I answer to the Emperor, Ludwine and the Steel Garrote answer only to themselves. Stay out of their way, and they'll return the favor. Make sure and use that to your advantage. You never know. It might come in handy. We'll talk more at the embassy. I'll ensure the Paradise militia give you free passage into the city. Envoy, what you've done here is truly amazing. Let's keep up the good work, eh?
Just watch your step. There are swaths of the city barely more civilized than this.
Eh ben, go, hein. On y va, les amis.
Whatever the Inquisitor's like, she can't be worse than that thing. Can she? You are full of surprises, Envoy. I'd heard godlights have strange powers, but I've never known them to heal an entire grove. Guess your Emperor really did send the right person for the job, huh? Still, you have your work cut out for you in Paradise.
The path to Paradise is a tad overgrown, but I can find my way back.
Bien, bien, bien. Je pense qu'on va s'arrêter ici, sauvegarder la partie. Et on va s'arrêter là. Hop. Bien, j'espère que vous avez bien apprécié cet épisode. À la prochaine pour un prochain épisode.